Hello, my name is Egils, I'm dance teacher, and today we continue our video series about variations in standard and Latin dances. And now we will do introduction to Cha-Cha-Cha, and we will look at chasse to side, hip twist chasse, ronde chasse and fan position. If we look at chasse to side in Walter Laird's book Technique of Latin Dancing, we will see footwork, which is ball flat, ball flat, ball flat, and also when we close feet, it's not closed together, it's half closed and knees are slightly bent. So we can dance in this way. I would suggest in social level or social dancing, but for competitive dancing or more advanced dancing, nowadays we do different footwork. We do ball flat, then ball, and then next step will be ball flat. Why these changes happened? So my take on this is because of body work and hips and rib movement, and so in order to change body reaction and body actions and rib movements, we have to change also footwork. So footwork ball flat, ball flat allows much more body movement. Also notice timing half beat, and now on full beat we will continue work with left foot and step with right foot to side. And now let's look at hip twist chasse and ronde chasse. So hip twist chasse, we start with right foot forward and across body on toe, then flat, then ball, and next step is ball flat, and we don't lower left heel to the floor. So flat, ball, ball flat. And now let's look at a ronde chasse. We dance with left foot, round back toe, and then flat, then ball, and to side ball flat. Laird's version is different. We go toe, then we slip flat foot rightwards, and then ball flat to side with left foot. So flat, ball flat. I suggest version toe, flat, ball, ball flat. Now let's look at fan position. Last step in which we enter fan position for man is forward walk and turning. So position is to side and slightly forward, and it's not exactly to side, but to side and slightly forward. So for lady last step is back, but usually there is quarter turn to left, so legs are almost crossed. The foot position is left foot back. So when ladies dance back and slightly to side or diagonally to side, for me it doesn't look as good as step back. And now let's look at fan position. Notice that line from ladies' toes goes approximately 15 cm from man's toe, and angle between bodies are 90 degrees. And now let's look at Cha-Cha-Cha routine number 1, Alemana with finish B, and then Swivel Hip Twist. We start with Alemana from fan position. Now lady will dance delayed forward walk, and she should, let's say, brush feet because it's forward walk. And finish B means that we both dance lockstep forward. When lady dances delayed walk and turn underarm, I suggest that man will dance slightly different steps, back, then to side and forward, not just a rock step back. Yeah, let's look how it looks together. We start from fan position, 2, 3, 4 and 1, and now back to side and lock step forward. And now we will continue with closed hip twist. If we start from this direction, I would turn diagonally to wall and my body will turn slightly more, so lady will dance half a turn to right. So after Alemana we will turn and go to 2, 3, 4 and 1, which is beginning of close hip twist. Now I lead lady into hip twist and lady collects free foot, and now we finish to fan position in that direction, and 2, 3, 4 and 1, and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Swivel hip twist. We will dance first 5 steps of close hip twist, 2, 3, 4 and 1, then we will lead lady in step and swivel and hip twist chasse 4 and 1, and finish to fan position. So man's steps from fan position, check forward, replace, slip, close, chasse, back to side, forward lock step, check forward, replace, ronde chasse, transfer weight, leading lady to swivel, chasse to side, back, replace, and hip twist chasse. Lady starts with right foot, close, forward, lock step forward, delayed forward walk, turn, forward walk, lock step forward, turn, back, replace, hip twist chasse, forward walk, then swivel, and another hip twist chasse, forward walk turning, and back lock to fan position. With teaching count, and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 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 2, 3, 4 and 1. And now let's thank my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And now I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all new videos and also learn personally from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.